Hello, welcome back to another video from WEBA. Did you know your smartwatch might have more bacteria than a toilet seat? And I'm not kidding, literally. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean it properly without damaging it. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Why is it so dirty anyways? Well, one of the main reasons your smartwatch gets dirty is because of skin contact, sweat, dust, or even food. If you wear it all day and barely clean it, that build up can really affect your smartwatch. It can cause a bad smell, skin irritation, or even internal malfunctions, and absolutely we don't want that. Now I'm going to teach you how to clean it step by step. First, turn off your smartwatch. Let's go ahead and power it off right here. Okay, it's off. You're going to need a few things: a kitchen paper towel, a cotton swab, 70% isopropylic alcohol or regular 70% alcohol, but be careful with it, and optionally some disinfecting wipes like this. Let's start. First, take a soft dry cloth and wipe off the dust. Yes, even in the straps, make sure you get rid of all of the visible dirt. Next, damp it a cloth. Could be the same one with a bit of alcohol. Don't soak it, just add enough to disinfect. Now gently wipe down the smartwatch, nice and easy, like this. Tap, 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 rub it a little bit. There we go. Look at that, it's already much cleaner and disinfected. Now dry it off with a clean part of the cloth, and now it's time for the cotton swab. Dip the swab in a little bit of alcohol. Again, don't overdo it. If it's too wet, just squeeze it a little bit. Now carefully clean around the charging pins, just like that. Yep, exactly. Don't forget about the changing cable itself. Take your alcohol, damp it, wipe, and run it over the charging contact too. Now let's talk about common cleaning mistakes to avoid. Never submerge your smartwatch in water, especially if you're not sure if it's water resistant. You might ruin it completely. Avoid using harsh chemical like bleach or strong soap. They can damage the materials. And don't scrub too much pressure or use anything sharp like pens or needles to scrape off dirt. If there's a bit of green, use the cloth. Use a soft wipe, and that's it. Recommendations: clean your smartwatch at least once a week to keep it in a good shape for a long time. That's it for today's video. Take care and don't forget to subscribe to WEBA. Bye bye.